The most elite of the elitist egg rolls. Truffalo chicken. Shredded smoked chicken. Mozzarella cheese. Scallions. Cream cheese. And the hotter truff sauce. Paper down, stuff it up. Roll that thing nice and tight, you know what I'm saying? Give them a bubble bath, perfect golden brown. Make it look pretty, plate and enjoy.